All right, Eric, thank you so much. We are back in the kitchen now to bring you another edition of Cooking with Kids. The segment we launched this summer has been nothing short of fantastic so far. And today we have Chef Jack to show us his spin on the classic PB&J. Jack, welcome to the show.
Hi.
We are so excited that you're here. We've been waiting all morning, and we are so excited because you have, again, a PB&J, but not really a PB&J. I think you use something different. Tell me what you use.
An Uncrustable maker.
An Uncrustable maker. Genius. That's just gonna, do you think the shape of a sandwich changes the way it tastes?
No.
You don't think? I think it does. Like, I think if I was eating a sandwich in the shape of a circle, I think it tastes better. I think that's your magic touch.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna find out. We're gonna make it together. So you have your ingredients here. I also want to say too, you actually, we say PB&J, but it's actually SB&J because you use sun butter, right? Tell me what sun butter is.
It's like a different kind of peanut butter. Like, if you're allergic to peanut butter, then it's made with sunflower seeds instead.
Sunflower seeds. You think it tastes good? I don't think I've ever had it, but we're about to try it out together. Okay, so that's really great that we also can keep allergies in mind. I have some nut allergies, so I'm excited to be able to try sun butter. So where do we start, Jack? We have all of our ingredients, our tools set up. Tell me what you do. You're the pro.
First, you separate the bread, then
Right.
you get some jelly.
Okay. What kind of jelly do you like?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. I like strawberry too. Okay, so we're gonna get a good scoop. Do you have any kind of spreading technique, or you just kind of slap it on there?
I just slapped it on.
You just slap it on. All right, we're slapping it on. Do you like a lot of jelly?
Yes.
I do too. All right. I feel like strawberry is good in the summer too. How many sunflower jelly sandwiches do you think you eat during the summer? If you had to put a number on it.
This is my first one.
Your first one? And you're making it on live TV?
Yes.
All right, we're just experimenting in the kitchen. We'll see how it goes. But you make other kind of sandwiches with your Uncrustable maker, right?
Yes.
What's your favorite kind of sandwich to eat?
Nutella.
Nutella! We were gonna make a Nutella, but I have a nut allergy, so we switched it up a little bit. So we're trying out sun butter and jelly. Okay, so we've got our strawberry jam. Do you go all the way to the edge? Or I guess not, because we're gonna cut the edges off, right?
Then you get peanut butter.
Right.
The sun butter.
I'm curious how this is, it looks just like peanut butter.
It tastes just like peanut butter too.
Oh my goodness, Jack, we are learning so much from you. The hidden secrets of Chef Jack. All right, so we have our, I'll show you my spreading technique. Here we go. Also, Jack's is good. See, Jack's, that is good. All right, we're spreading it. You like a lot?
Not much.
Not too much. You don't want to squeeze out. Okay. I think this is pretty good so far. All right, so we have our sun butter and our jelly. We put them together.
And you put them together.
Whoop-pow! You got to make a sound effect. Whoop-pow!
Wow.
There you go. That's it. Okay. Uncrustable. You just press. Oh, look at that.
You jiggle it.
Wait, this is a really good tool.
And then take the
Oh, and kind of have to
crust.
peel the crust off.
Yeah.
Jack, your precision is fabulous. Yeah, some people don't like to eat crust. Do you not like to eat crust? Kind of tastes a little wonky.
I don't really taste it.
Okay, but we can make prettier sandwiches with the Uncrustable. Oh wait, but there's more. Okay, wait,
Then
what
you
does this do?
press this down to seal it.
Oh, so we're like kind of squeezing the edges together.
And oh yikes.
No, it looks perfect. Let me see.
Can you
Jack, that looks perfect. Wait, hold it up so everyone can see. Can you see it? Look at it, everybody. Okay, wait, I'm gonna try to do it too. So we're gonna we do this first? Okay. Look at this. Where did you find this? Do you know where your mother got this?
Temu.
T-mail.
Temu.
Temu.
Yeah.
Is that a store?
Yeah. On the internet.
On the internet. Okay, everybody. Uncrustable maker. And it's good because it doesn't have sharp edges for the youth and the kids. Okay, so I'm gonna do this
You
first.
have to press it down and jiggle it, and then you have to get the crust off.
Right. Okay, so I'm gonna press it and then rip my crust off. Oh, that's a nice cut. Okay, so, I leave this on.
Yes.
Okay, leave it on.
And then you take this one, and then you press it down, hold it as hard as you can, and again.
Oh, look at that.
And then it seals it, and then you just pop it out.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, mine got a little, there it is. Oh, mine's a little stuck. I think I used more sun butter than you did, so it's a little squishy. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Look. And it's little crisp. It looks just like an Uncrustable. Do you eat Uncrustables? Do you eat them frozen or regular temperature? Some people eat them like cold.
Sometimes I eat them cold.
Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, well, can we try our new sandwiches together?
Yeah.
You've never had sun butter. Well, you said you have, but you haven't had a sun butter.
I've had a
Jay.
peanut butter one with this. But
Okay,
I
so
just
this is
haven't
breaking
had sunbutter.
information. We're both now trying our sunflower sandwiches together. Mmm! Wait, I feel like that tastes just like peanut butter, don't you? Like if I hadn't made it with you and closed my eyes, I would have thought it was just peanut butter. Chef Jack, everybody. He's amazing. Do you cook all the time at home? Well, you should, because you're fantastic. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is our latest edition of Cooking with Kids. Can you thank everybody? We've loved having you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Perfect. Jack, thanks so much for joining us. All right, we'll be right back into the break. We're talking entertainment, movies. Don Pompelli has some cool scout guides for us, so stay tuned. We'll be right back. Can I have a high five? Perfect.
Go to WAFF.com to register.
The news is coming up, but first the weather. Looks like it's going to be another perfect day.
Go to WAFF.com. Send us a video of your kids doing the weather. They could qualify for a $50 gift card to Learning Express.
We're going to need a weather app.